magazine, Mama. Daddy, make that magazine.
Emma, say hi. Are you eating a cookie, Buster? Show us the cookie. Where's the cookie? Yummy cookie. Emma, you reading the book there?